Come on, Liam, it's time to go upstairs and go to sleep. You going to sleep by the bus? I don't think you should sleep by the bus. Okay, let's go upstairs and go to sleep. Where are you sleeping now? You're sleeping on your stool. You can't sleep on your stool. Okay, upstairs. Let's go. Can you put your stool down? Okay, put your stool down. Want me to hold the stool? Okay, let's go upstairs and go to sleep. What are you doing now? You're sleeping on the floor?
Yes.
Wake up, Liam. Okay, come on, let's go upstairs. Liam, are you tooting? Wake up, Liam.
No.
Wake up.
No, we are going to this.
But you have to go to sleep in your bed.
No, go to bed. Go to this.
Okay, say bye-bye.